Hey guys, what's up? Another day, another video. Anyway, today we are going to talk about how to steal a color grade from one picture to another. Let's go. So, we are here at the computer. This is my image. This is what we are going to put the color grade to. And this is the image that I will take the color grade from. This is from Pexels. The original artist is linked down below in the description. And make sure you thank them, show your support to them. With that said, let's get started. Go to File, Export, and Save for Web Legacy. Now this is showing as 5 colors because I have already experimented with them. But if you didn't do anything, this will come out as wait man. Okay, so this will come out as 256. This is what you are going to see. But for this image, we are going to take 5. Your image may just work better with 3. You have to check it. With this, you get the color table over here. You hit this and you say save color table. Go to a folder that you have created. We have already. So let's do it. COLOR and 2. Let's save it like that. This is an Adobe color table file or ACT file. Okay, so save. We are pretty much done with this. Hit cancel. Go to your image. And now you duplicate the layer because we do it, that's a good practice. Then we are going to hit a gradient map. Click on this image, which is the adjustment layer icon, and go to gradient map. Click on this, this will open up, and then we are going to hit the swatches panel. Now if you can't see the swatches panel, go to window and you have swatches. Okay, now go down, you can't see anything. So you hit this button and then you say import swatches, and it will show nothing because it's looking for ACO file and our file is ACT file. So you're going to hit color 2, load, and it is, come on. Okay, now it's open. The mouse acts up. Anyway, double click on this, in this color, and we're going to pay special attention to this number, which is 75, the brightness value. Hit OK, and on location put 75, right? Then we're going to hit this icon twice, pick this color, and this says 55. Hit OK, and say on the location tab 55. Done. Wait for the hand icon, click, double click on this, hit this color, and this says 10, hit OK and say 10. Click on this, double click, select this, and this says 9, hit OK and say 9. Good. Then we're going to wait for the hand icon, double click on this, take this one. The brightness value is 87, hit OK, and you have 87. Now we have all these things put together and we're going to hit OK. Now this looks kind of odd, so we're going to change the blend mode to soft light. You can choose what you want, you can use other blend modes like color. This looks better with soft light. Anyway, hide the background here just for the sake of it. We're going to do something interesting now. We're going to go to this picture. We're going to duplicate this layer just for the sake of it. Then we are going to pick the highlight area with the eye tool, which is for the eyedropper tool, and select this area. Take the brush tool with D and hit the new layer icon and just paint. This is the highlight. Select this. I for the eyedropper tool. We need the shadows. I'm going to go here, which is the darkest part. Select your new layer, hit the brush icon, and just paint. Nice. Now it gets a little tricky. What you want to do is select this layer, go to select and then color range, and then go to this part and say midtones. Now that we have this, we're going to increase the range and we're going to round the fuzziness. Go OK, and now it's selected, hit Ctrl J, now you have the midtones on a new layer, and we're going to hide both the layers beneath it. Select this layer, go to filter, blur and average. Now you have an average of all the colors. Hit I tool, pick the color, hit the B tool, pick your layer that is on top of it and paint. With that done, we're going to go from here to here. Okay, yes, now we have it over here. Maybe we can reduce the size with the Ctrl T, and now we have it. Okay, that's that. And here we go. Select the gradient layer, select the adjustment icon again, hit the curves. We are going to map the highlight, shadows and darks, highlight, shadows and midtones to these colors. So first things first, make sure the curve icon is selected, not the mask. Select the curves. Double click on this icon, which is the target highlight color, and select the highlight color. Hit OK. Select no for the defaults because you are not trying to set it as default, you are going to use it only once. Hit no. And then you are going to pick a highlight color. So this is the highlight, or maybe this is a highlight. I think this looks better. You have to pick and choose and try different areas that are highlights. Well, for me this works. I'm going to midtones and double click and click the midtones, which is this one. Hit OK. Hit no and try different midtones. I'm going to click on the horse maybe. Yeah. Now it looks blue, don't worry. We're going to go to the shadows and then we're going to hit this. Hit OK. And no. And then we're going to hit the shadows. Now once you hit the shadows, which is the dark part over here, you can delete this, and there you have it. Pretty close, don't you think? This is how you steal a color grade. Thank you so much for working. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Sorry.